So who is Sudarshan?
Actually, I'm Sudarshan Ekhande, and I am from basically Maharashtra, Ahmednagar. And I place in Beam Infotech, and I got a package like 6 LPA to
Okay.
6 to 7 LPA in between.
Cool.
Yeah, and and I currently working in like in as an embedded developer, and Beam Infotech given me the role as an embedded engineer also,
Okay.
and they will provide me the working on like in electric vehicle design and
Okay.
development and
Hmm.
embedded system on that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Basically, it's on EV vehicle, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. Electric vehicle. Yes.
Chalo. So looking into Beam Infotech hiring procedure, Sudarshan. So how was your experience? How many rounds were there? What was the difficulty? So just give a brief talk on that. Over to you.
Yeah. So the 3 rounds is basically getting. So first is a assessment round. The assessment round is cleared. After that, the technical interview
Okay.
round, and the technically the two technical members they taken my interview, and the interview procedure is also very smooth.
Uh-huh.
And after that, the HR round, and
Okay.
HR round is the HR round is negotiations and
Okay.
salaries and all that. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, like 3 rounds. That is what I can got from your inputs. Basically, 3 rounds will be there. Correct. First is assessment.
Yeah.
Second
Basically,
is TR. Third is HR.
HR
So
round.
let's
Yes.
put a spotlight on the assessment part, Sudarshan. So how many questions were there? What kind of questions were there in the assessment? Any talk on that?
Yeah. So in the assessment, all the questions related to the electric vehicle and on the embedded or the microcontroller based or the electronics questions, that type of basics questions in assessment. Yeah.
So
And
what was
some of
the
the questions on programming also.
programming? Okay. So what was the
Yeah.
language
Embedded
option was given?
uh, embedded C language
Okay.
currently used and
Okay. So do you remember what kind of questions were there in the programming part, Sudarshan? Any scenario basis question? Any?
yeah.
Ah,
Uh, Actually, I currently not remembering, but the
acha.
basic questions like if any small program write
Mhm.
in embedded C, like
Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Just a basic question in the embedded C.
yeah, basic questions, yeah, yeah.
So if a individual
But
have
maximum,
hands-on experience in the coding with respect to embedded C, he can answer those questions easily.
yes, easily from. And actually, I learned from the Skill-Lync also all
Okay.
the basics and theories, all that. So that's I
Okay.
really good for me. Yeah.
All right. So when did you receive the result of first round, Sudarshan, assessment round?
Yeah, first assessment round, round result I got in 2 to 3 days
Okay,
after
within
my
2 to 3 days. Okay. So next
within
you
2 to 3 days.
mentioned it was a technical round.
Yeah, technical round.
So how was your technical round interview experience?
Yeah, technical round experience is also good for
Okay.
because the two technical two members have taken this round, and
Okay.
they asked me very smooth questions and also the related to the electric vehicle and on the electronics part,
Okay.
like all the like hardware designing, PCB designing, and firmware part also they asked me. Yeah,
So
right.
any talk on the project, Sudarshan? Any talk on project happened?
Yes. Yeah, they asked me like how much projects have you
Okay.
done in Skill-Lync and
Mhm.
all that, how much projects and which types of projects,
Okay.
and also asking on the projects, asking on the questions on the projects also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So let how this Skill-Lync curriculum and the courses helped you during the technical part? Any talk on that, Sudarshan? Was it helpful, basically?
Yes. Yeah. The Skill-Lync is build my build my career and all that.
Okay.
Like technically also they build me, and
Uh,
practically also they
hands on.
build me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, hands-on also. Yeah.
All right. So apart from the project stuff and correlated question, any else they asked in the technical round, Sudarshan?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So they ask me on the like hardware designing,
Hardware design.
microcontroller circuit designing, yeah, power supply circuit designing, all
Okay.
that, and PCB designing, how much layers PCB designing, and that type of questions they also ask me.
Okay. So basically, main focus was given on the core subject, core knowledge,
Yeah,
if I'm
the
not wrong.
core subject, core
Okay.
knowledge. Yeah.
Chalo.
Yeah.
So what was the result when you got the results? After how many days you got the result?
Actually, in I think 7 to 8 days, they will
Okay.
provide me the result.
1 week
Yeah,
of time.
1 week of time. Yeah.
So next was HR.
So next is HR round, and HR round is taken in around 2 to 3 days after the
Okay.
technical round.
So
Sorry,
what
the result. Yeah.
result? Okay. So how the discussion happened in the HR round, Sudarshan? What discussion happened basically?
Yeah. So the HR asking me like salary or the
Okay.
salary negotiations and all that, and relocation and all that. That type of question they asked me.
Okay. So basically, I just wanted to ask this question in the initial talk of our discussion. So how did you come to know about this opening, Sudarshan?
Yeah, actually, this opening provide me the skilling person.
Okay.
The name is Suben Kuttar sir.
Okay.
They provide me the link and they
Okay.
apply. They provide the link.
Okay, so like how the CV preparation happened, like even the Skill-Lync is taking care about that, or like how the support from the management end?
Yes, yes, yes. Skilling provide the CV building
Okay,
support also.
okay. So
Yeah,
and you mentioned after 72 hours, after 72 hours you got the final selection result.
final selection result. Yes.
So let put a spotlight on your role and responsibilities and working mode and also the expected CTC for the domain. So let's start with your profile, Sudarshan. What was the job offer to
Yeah.
you?
So yeah, they offered me like 7.5 LPA,
Okay.
and the role is like embedded engineer.
Mhm.
Yeah, and in embedded on the hardware designing,
Okay.
PCB designing, and firmware designing. In the on the electronics products, also the electric vehicle products and all that. Yeah.
Okay. And it's totally on-site work mode.
Yeah, totally on-site work mode. Sir.
Chalo then. So I guess we covered pretty much everything. Last but not the least, man. So how was your preparation during the initial days, and what you need to suggest to our audience? Any tips or any suggestion to our audience, Sudarshan?
Yes, yes. So I suggest to the audience like Skill-Lync is the very good platform to learn basics also, and beginner is also learning in here.
Hmm.
They provide the basics knowledge also to the intermediate also, and the like practically knowledge and all that. The industrial use knowledge they Skill-Lync is also provided. Yeah. So the Skill-Lync is the very good platform to learn and also the work all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chalo then I guess we covered pretty much everything. And yeah, Sudarshan, I really appreciate you for taking time and joining us and sharing your interview talk with our audience. Thanks a lot, man, for joining us today.
Yeah. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Pleasure. And yeah, guys, this is about this talk. And if you want to look into the Skill-Lync courses, link will be given in the description. And if you want to connect Sudarshan, his LinkedIn profile will be given in the description. And Sudarshan, thanks a lot, man, for joining us today.
Yes, 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 sir. Thank you. Thank you.
And yeah, guys, this is about talk. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.